Hey everyone, let's come to the fire. Opening circle's about to start. Let's bring it together. Okay, if everyone wants to come round, find a place, a space. Light upon light, shining as bright as the sun. Let the way of the heart, let the way of the heart, let the way of the heart shine through. Let the way of it's a beautiful opportunity to basically get connected to the land, get connected to self, get connected to the community, and really cultivating and nourishing one's spirit with not only spiritual food but nice healthy vegan food. It's really great. We come out to different places in Israel, different nature spots, and really being in tune with the seasons, with the different Jewish festivals or months and energies of those months. So your legs are still straight, but your right knee is going forward towards your foot. Just bring these a little bit more up. And push into this, pushing into this foot. Doing the motion slowly, coming back to center. Really feeling the vertebra of the rib moving. Feel where are you holding on and where can you let go in your body. And start to pull them from side to side. So we're rocking the trunk. So before, what we did is we found the motion and the movement of the legs and the pelvis, the relationship to the shoulder blades. And now we're isolating that, we're keeping the pelvis and the legs still, and we're just rocking the upper part of the trunk of the body. It's exactly what Feldenkrais is, because it's very gentle, you know, and it's moving from the places that's possible, finding the motion, and it's the gradual exploration of new possibilities from that place. So becoming aware of the pattern and slowly from that pattern moving just a little bit, slightly. You know, it's much more soft on the body. We can't just be extreme and all of a sudden, okay, go that way. You know, it's too, the body's holds different traumas and protects in different ways. It's the inquiry. It's not the teacher giving the answer. It's the teacher holding the space for the inquiry, for each person to explore. we basically frame it in a way that's embodying in the body. So we use Feldenkrais, which is basically about body awareness movement and becoming aware of the different patterns that we have and being able to move in new dynamic ways. So not only body awareness, but experiential meditation, which is usually associated with the different energies that come in the month. So it could be anything from, we just had a pre-Yom Kippur retreat, so from purification to forgiveness and connecting to the different energies that are available in the month. It's really great coming out to the nature. It's an opportunity to get away from the city, to really kind of unwind, release energy, that's being held, and give that heart space and the head space to really open up to letting in a new connection, a rejuvenating connection, and just feeling that to be able to come back and integrate, being on the ground and bringing more presence and awareness. And we hope to keep on cultivating some beautiful projects and retreats, and we hope to see you there soon.
One more time. Yehi shalom b'chelech shalva be'armenotai. Yehi shalom b'chelech shalva. Shalom b'chelech shalva be'armenotai. Yehi shalom b'chelech shalva